What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Happy Monday to y'all. I'm going to review a really cool tool. It is called the Brush Hero. It's $20, under $20, excuse me, under $20 on at Walmart, and then on Amazon you're going to probably pay around almost close to $40, so Walmart would be the place I recommend. I just checked online, that's where it was at. You do use it with the hose, not a pressure washer. It's very unique because it's a soft bristle brush. I get exhausted when I'm doing tires or wheels, excuse me. If you look at these wheels, they're pretty hammered. All right, I mean that's some nasty dirt and everything and buildup. All right, so if you're doing 3, 4, 5 cars a day, this is not. I'm exhausted, I'm sorry, but using a bristle brush or anything, even with wheel acid and you're still having to scrub it, it wears you out. I mean, this is hard work. This is not for the faint of heart when you're doing auto detailing. So that would be the cool thing about it. Another neat thing is that you can spin this off and it's all water activated. And you have control with the water, so you can still rinse it and or maybe get some water somewhere else if you need it on the vehicle or something like that. But that's another kind of cool thing about it, is that it's not just one function. Like I said, it works with the water hose. Get it at Walmart. It may not be for everybody, but I'm sorry, I'm getting older. My joints hurt. I get exhausted, even though I'm kind of in pretty good shape, I would say. So this definitely helps out and conserves your energy. So we're gonna hit this. We've got some wheel acid in here. Love these Marilex sprayers. If you don't have one, you need to look them up on the Luxury Microfiber website. And before I get started, what kind of brush do you guys use? What kind of stuff do you use to clean your wheels? What makes your job easier? What saves you time? Because if we can save time and money, I think we're all winning at the end of the day, but definitely like saving energy, especially in this Texas heat. We're coming up on spring, which is our summer. We'll probably be like 100 degrees in a month. But anyways, this is definitely a really cool thing, and you're going to see it work. We're going to hit this with some 4-to-1 really quick, and then we're going to scrub, and just right in here really quick, and then let y'all see how it works. I'm not going to say you're going to finish it like Superman speeds, but it's going to get the job done. You're going to see how effortlessly I'm not going to be sweating or anything when it's working. So here we go. Ain't that cool? I'm not even doing anything. I'm just moving it around. And it's white, soft bristle brush. Some of the pros might be like, oh, I can't believe you're doing that. It's going to tear the wheels up. Well, yeah, I think anything you do, especially even wheel acid, you're still going to compromise some of the clear coat a little bit. I mean, that's just the nature. If they get dirty, you got to clean them. And then, you keep rinse, repeat, and they get dirty. So, anyways, you can see how clean that is. I mean, I'm not even sweating. I'm actually having a good time doing this. Thankfully today, I am blessed to have a cameraman, Mr. Carlos Serrano with Serrano's Mobile Auto Detailing. If you're not subscribed to him, please go do. He is an awesome friend of mine. Very cool dude. Great with interior work. And we're hanging out today. So he's stopping by the house, and we decided we're going to do some videos together. But you can tell. Look at that. I mean, I'm not even, it's spinning with the water. Alright, isn't that cool? And it's soft. But, I mean, there you go. I mean, those are clean. I mean, and I'm not even sweating or anything. So, under 20 bucks at Walmart. Called the Brush Hero. Saw it on Amazon, like I said, for 39 bucks. There was a couple of them I saw. They were used for $17. But, yeah, this may or may not be for you. But for me, I'm getting older. I like things that don't wear me out so much. So, anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this. And thank y'all for tuning in. We'll see you next time.